guys, you are welcome to my YouTube channel. It's Akosia Sapama, as you already know. If this is your first time watching me, make sure you subscribe to my channel and we go. If you've done it already, thanks for subscribing. Thanks for always watching. Today's video is going to be very short. I just want to teach you guys simple tutorials on how to lay down your edges. So guys, stay tuned and don't go anywhere. I love you. So today I want to teach you guys how to lay your edges in order to add more beauty to your. So first of all, before you start laying your edges, make sure you have your styling gel. I normally go for this. It's very affordable and then you can get it anywhere. Just ask for Max Super. Yeah, it's very thick too. That's why I mostly go for this. We have different types of gel there, but then I think this is best for everyone. Any type of hair, for fussy hair, for natural hair styles, like you are good to go to use it. And you have to get your brush, any kind of brush you want, and then your comb. Yeah, any type. You can use this tail comb. Everybody knows about this. So first of all, before you start, make sure you have this hair around. This is going to help you lay down your edges very well. Since my hair is natural, I have to make sure I apply enough gel over there in order to help my hair lay down. Before you start, make sure you brush your hair, brush them a little. Some people prefer styling, but then I prefer laying them sideways. I prefer that one. So after brushing your hair, you apply your styling gel. So you apply your styling gel. So I'm going to start by using, you can use your hand, you can use the comb. Yeah, so I apply it there. Make sure it's enough. If you have a natural hair, make sure you apply enough gel there to help lay down your edges. Otherwise, you are going to do something crazy. Oh god, I'm not done yet, but then I look super duper great. I gotta be fast. I want this video to be a short one, so it's easy, anybody can start it. But then before, if you want to be perfect drawing your edges, make sure you practice every single day. Just try watching videos on YouTube, and then when you're alone, try it on your own without anybody assisting you, and I think you're gonna be perfect with it. Oh god. I'm sorry, because of my hair, it's keeping long. It's very hard, fussy hair. You got to know how it's like. So I'm done applying my styling gel. The next step, you have to go in for your comb. Any of them, you can use the steel comb, any of them, but then I prefer this one. So I'm going to start brushing downwards, and then you roll it up. You support it with your hand so it doesn't come back, fall back. Oh gosh. So I'm done drawing. We'll get there. Sure. I think we are done. We're done. So we draw sideways. Draw. And then last one. We are done. We are done. How do I look? I look saucy. So guys, I am done with my edges. So the next step, I'm going to move. Let's say I'm going out, so I have to apply my lipstick. Hello guys, as you can see, I am done with my edits. Hope it was nice. So this is a simple tutorial that every girl can do it if only you are prepared and then you are willing to do it. Make sure you practice and then get your styling gel. Make sure you buy the thick ones. Yeah, I think that one is the best for any type of hair. Yeah, good to go. Thanks for watching my video. Make sure you subscribe. Don't forget, like and leave a comment. I love you all so much. Meet you next time. Bye bye.